In this video, we're going to learn about how you can basically set up or make the vehicle horn system in Unreal Engine 5. So currently I'm using Unreal Engine 5.0.3 and also using the vehicle variety pack 2, and also I add a custom car horn. So it will, by using that, we can make our car horn. Okay, now let's start how we can make that. So first we need to open our vehicle BP. Okay, then now we need to set up a button that by which button we can control the horn. So for example, I want to use the F keyboard. So F keyboard. So I want then when I press the F keyboard, it should be play the sound. And once I press that kind of like release, like if I hold up from the F keyboard, it should be stop the sound. So what you can do basically, I can open my vehicle variety pack, and whatever sound I add, I can simply drag and drop in my mesh. Once I add, it should be like this. Okay, and we can set up like here, so it will become exactly from this location, and then we can get that. Once we get that, we can simply search that play sound. So if you search play, you find something like this, and then we want also to stop the sound, so then from that we can search stop. Once we search stop, we can connect it with the release. If I try to play this right now, so let me show you. So first time it will be annoyingly start, but now if I press F, it's playing, and as you can see, it's working with release. But if I want that it should be play loop type without stopping whenever I want to stop, or otherwise it not should be a stop. So what you can do, we can go in our car horn and we can enable the looping type, and make sure before that we don't want to damage our here, so we can add a simple code that begin play, and with begin play it should be first time stop the sound. Then whenever we press F keyboard, it should be press the play the sound, and if we release that, it should be stop the sound. Compile and save. And now if I press, as you can see, there's no irritating sound, but if I press F, it's pressing with loop tab, and if I just hold up from the F key, it stop the sound. So I hope you understand how you can basically get the simple one. And let's do something more, like we can set up the area that how much it should be play the sound. Like this is now it's enable like unlimited, but we want a limitation of the sounds that we can hear. So we can add the sounds, need to go sounds and sound alteration, and then we can add like sound 1. Then we can double click and open this thing, our sound, and just scroll down and you find here the alteration settings, and just simply select your one. Now save and drag. Now for understanding the how much this is basically using, so you can drag and drop your vehicle and you can check that, yep, just look how much area it's cover upping. So you can control by at here if you enable this one, and if you want you can control the position, like you can increase like the size, and you can expand radius. It totally depends on you. So I want that it should be not play more than like 1400, and the maximum is 850. Okay, now if the others vehicle playing that same, okay, it will be not like it will be only work in this limitation area. So this is now more great. I hope you understand how I need to do this. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you all. Bye bye. See you in next tutorial video.